Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri-Luc. Today I would like to introduce you to my brand new Brod Taylor Sahara Dehydrator. This is a collapsible dehydrator. Brod Taylor is an American company that offers high-quality specialized products, and it's environmentally conscious. Its products are packed in 100% recycled fiber molds, and the product arrives safely. So we are going to unfold the dehydrator. We disable the locking devices. We remove the lid. We remove the dip tray. We remove the power cord from the back. The dehydrator is equipped with an air filtration device that removes dirt and dust from the air that enters inside the case. It came with 3 washable filters. To unfold it, we press this button here. We unfold the entire box and lock the box in place. We replace the tray. We replace the cover with the locking devices forward this time and activate the locking device. Here we have a storage case for the dehydrator shelves. The shelves can be made of metal or heat-resistant polyplastic. So I'm going to put the shelves in the dehydrator. To store the dehydrator, we do exactly the opposite. If you are interested in this dehydrator or any other Brod Taylor products, feel free to click on the logo of this company in the upper right corner of my YouTube channel. That was my presentation video of my Brod Taylor dehydrator. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Looking forward to seeing you again soon for a new video.